Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, a Cosmic Grey EP3. You guys know that Cosmic Grey is my favourite colour, so happy days. This one's had a Japspeed 4:1 manifold fitted by Richard this morning in the workshop, and now it's time for an ECU exchange and remap. I believe we're going to have some flames. Let's do it. K20, EP3 Civic, check your oil. Everyone should be checking their oil, and if you need some oil, you can head on over to www.worldoflubricant.co.uk, where you can use the code Dyno and save a load of money. So you can get your 5W40 fully synthetic. I'm using Molygen, it's a great oil, but you can choose whatever you want. Obviously, you can save some money using the code Dyno at worldoflubricant.co.uk. Cheers. I do like a Cosmic Grey.
Do you?
Yeah.
You didn't mention it.
I will continue to mention it.
Why don't you tell everyone how cold you are?
I'm actually not that cold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm actually not that cold. I've got a bit of a runny nose, Rich, if you cared.
No, I don't care.
No, I didn't think so. Yeah, so we fitted today a 4-to-1 manifold, haven't we? And then we've mapped her.
We have. So what we call our sort of bread and butter work, nice jobs, come in, bit of an exhaust, bit of an induction kit, that sort of deal. And then map. So like Dan says, we've done a 4-to-1 manifold and map today.
What has it got? It's got a Dynodaze induction kit.
It's got a 4-to-1 which we fitted, and it's got a spoon rep 2.25 inch
2.25 inch,
which is, to be fair, what's probably held it back today. It has made 230 in all fairness, but really loud and really raspy. There's definitely a middle box been blown out of it somewhere, I think. They don't normally sound like that when they're new.
It would do well to have a Tegiwa 70mm fitted.
Yeah, it sort of makes its peak power early, which is typically what you get from a smaller exhaust. So it sort of made its peak power by like 7.5, and then it's just, you're sort of revving it almost for the sake of it. It does actually start to tail off from there. Obviously, with a better exhaust, it probably would come up and still make the same amount of power, but instead of losing power from that point, would maintain sort of 230 flat across the board. But yeah, I mean, it wants sort of really up to a 2.5 inch exhaust. Definitely a Tegiwa 70mm in my opinion. This is way too loud and way too raspy for the gains that you get from it.
Hey, some people like loud and raspy.
Well, they do, yeah, I know, I get
don't.
that. I don't personally, but yeah. It'd be one of them moments where I wouldn't be putting my foot down because I'd be worried about watching everyone that's around me. But
you got a yawn on there, mate.
sorry, yeah, it is Friday. It is Friday afternoon. I'm about ready for bed.
It is. It is. Can I come?
Yeah, it's what time is it? Let's have a look.
About 3:30.
No, it's 5 to 3. So yeah, nearly bedtime.
Oh, okay.
I did see a funny meme the other day that absolutely made me piss. It says, when someone asks me if I'm going out at 9 o'clock, that's not happening. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
sort of
he's
thing.
in bed.
He's already in bed. Yeah. Like,
Can you remember them days though, where like 9 o'clock you'd be like getting ready?
Yeah, definitely. I laughed because I can absolutely go with that. If I get to 9 o'clock now and I'm like, someone says, "You going out?" I'm like, "You're joking." If I'm going out at like 5, 6 o'clock.
I want to eat at 6.
Yeah, at 6 and then do whatever.
I remember the days of getting to the pub at 10:30, having your breakfast there, drinking all day, and then only going home about 8 o'clock to get a pair of shoes on.
I've definitely been in situations where I've gone and, you know, like mates have rang you at 9 o'clock and you've gone and met them down the pub.
Yeah,
they're like, nowadays it's just no chance.
No chance. There's another episode to watch.
Yeah, that's
Netflix.
Right. Yeah, there's something else to watch on Netflix or whatever.
Yeah, no, that's because we're old, mate.
I know.
But then again, do the young generation actually go to the pub anymore?
I bet they don't, mate. I bet if we went down the pub at 9 o'clock to see what's in there, I bet
people our age.
Yeah, it would be. Yeah.
Because no one's got the ability to speak to anyone anymore.
Nah, definitely not. They really do struggle, the younger generation,
the
to like walk up to. Like, I tend to find, like, you know, with anything that I do. So if I do like, say, like the track day stuff or the sprint series, if people come and talk to me, it generally would be older people or people sort of my age, maybe a little bit younger generally, and they'll come up and talk to you and they'll have a conversation.
40 plus.
Oh, they've got a problem like
40 plus.
Yeah, you ain't got a jack I can borrow.
Good magazine, that, by the way.
Yeah, they go like, "Oh, you know, you got a jack I can borrow. I'm in the shit, you know, blah blah blah." Yeah, of course you can, you know. But and it's all friendly, it's all nice. But you, like you say, you just don't see younger people there, and you don't. And they just and even if you do, they just don't talk to you. So
because we're dinosaurs now. We come from an age where you can remember before the internet.
Oh yeah,
before mobile phones.
Yeah, but that's what I'm trying to say. If you wanted to go and play out with your mates, for example, you had to go and knock on someone's door.
Or find their bike.
Or everyone went down the park and they would already agreed to be there at, I don't know, 10 o'clock or whatever.
Because that's what everybody did.
Yeah, because that's what everybody did. But like you say, that realm of socialism is completely gone, isn't it?
They're sat on Fortnite now.
They can literally play on their computer and talk to their friends and they just literally never leave the house, do they? Don't go out.
They can wait for their mum to bring them the dinner.
Yeah, that's literally it. They're not saying it's a bit of a... The internet's good, isn't it? If you get what I mean, but it just brings some sad.
Double-edged sword.
It brings some sad things with it, don't it? Like what I'm saying is, 80s and 90s.
Yeah.
That time has gone, ain't it? If you understand what I mean, like our upbringing. It's like I said recently to someone about Christmas. I always remember Christmas as a kid is like we all went to family members and like all my cousins were there, and it was nice because you get to sort everybody. And then nowadays, well, most people just sit at home on their own and have their Christmas dinner, don't they?
Yeah.
They don't. It's not like the whole family meets somewhere or goes to one of them. Or whatever.
Yeah, but we're 46. The family have died.
I appreciate in our instance, yes.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is, though,
The younger generation.
It's still the younger generation as such. You know, even in my own family, the younger generation, they're just like, if you go, like, say for example, if I go around my mum's and everyone's there, they're just staring at devices.
Yeah, that's right. They're on their phone.
Well, that tangent went off for another 5 minutes, so we edited that right down. But enjoy it. So here's the graph. Red line as you came in, blue line is as she leaves. Finishing on 230 brake horsepower. I'll call it that 200 wheel horsepower. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We love EP3, so come at us. See you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.